हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों को फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो टुडे वी विल बी लर्निंग डायरी राइटिंग एंड द प्रोसेस इज वेरी सिंपल, ओके, and I will be explaining you elaborately. Okay, there's nothing much to worry because diary writing is not very difficult. Okay, now I have not written any class here because diary writing under the Meghalaya Board of School Education, diary writing is in the syllabus of class 9. But if any other students of any other class you're having diary writing in your syllabus, you may as well follow my video, the explanation that I'm going to make in this video, because things are more or less same. Okay, the only thing is the format, and that I'll show you. Okay, I have actually brought out two formats for you. I'll be explaining that in detail. Okay, no need to worry about that. Okay, so without delay, let us first see what is a diary writing. Diary writing akhir hai kya? Okay, so here as you can see, the diary writing is a type of personal writing in which a person keeps a diary in which he or she writes about his or her personal life or a scenario. So diary writing is basically personal. This thing you have to remember. Okay, so diary writing is a personal kind of a thing. Okay, you have a diary and there you write all your personal things. Personal means personal. All right, all your personal things, whatever. Say there are many who write diaries regularly, okay, at night, and diaries are written at night generally because the activities of the whole day you sum up and you write in your diary what happened the whole day, any special incident that happened, or even simple things also. Okay, so the basic thing is that in your diary you write about your personal life or any personal event or any general event also, not only exactly not personal event, any normal event, like you witnessed an accident on the road. All right, now you're writing in the diary that today I witnessed such and such accident on the road. The person was injured. He was taken to the hospital by many. I felt very bad. So again, it's a personal kind of a thing. So you can use first person pronoun like I. Okay. Now, writing a diary is one of the most accessible and informal forms of composition. All right, and this is another point, that the language that you use, the style that you use is very casual. It is very casual or informal. Casual means informal. ठीक है, आप formal way of writing मत लिखिए, because it is personal. You can use informal language. आप जो है informal language use कीजिए वहाँ पे. You use informal style. Okay, it can be written in any language. Now, because diary is like because it falls under syllabus, so you have to write in English only, but diary writing can be done for your personal use. Diary writing can be done in any language that a writer prefers. It can be English, it can be Hindi, it can be your own mother tongue, that doesn't matter. But because it's under your syllabus, so we concentrate on English only, obviously, right? So what are the things that generally you write in a diary? आप कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स के ऊपर, what are the topics that you generally use while writing a diary? It can be an encounter in the sense like you faced any incident on the road, or you saw any accident on the road. It can be a particular scene, a depiction, description, or a portrayal of a specific event. It can be anything, like you went to a mela, fair, मीना बाजार हम लोग बोलते हैं ना. All right, a fair kind of a thing, right? It's a fair. Okay, so you went to the fair, how you enjoyed the fair. So you can describe that specific event. You can describe any object, movement that the author considers worthy of writing, anything that you consider worthy of writing in your diary. Okay, topics, like there are no specific topics for diary writing, but obviously in your exam question will be given that today you saw an accident on the road, so you write in your diary whatever you saw, so you will be writing on this. Okay, any sad thing that has happened to you, say you picked a fight with your best friend and you're writing in your diary. Okay, all these kind of personal things you write. Okay, so this is it. Okay, no need to go in detail. I don't want to go in detail. This is the basic thing. Okay, you can just read this thing. I'm just explaining you the basic thing which is important. All right, now this is the most important part, and you must note this particular thing down. Now you see, format for diary writing, the one that is given in your book, the book which is prescribed by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, that format is very simple. That format is very simple. Here you see I have this format is for those students who are under the MBOSE, because I have used your textbook format. That's it. Alright, so these are under this format is for those students who are under the Meghalaya Board of School Education. Okay, how do you write? First of all, on the left hand side of your copy, you write the time. Okay, here I have written, see, this is example. Okay, the same format, this is the format and this is the example. So you write the time in this way. Generally you keep the time 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. because as I told you, diary writing is done at night only, not in the daytime. Alright, that is the ideal time, 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. maximum. Okay, don't go beyond that. So time you mention like that. Then on the right hand side of your copy, you write down the date. Date can be in this format or it can be like that also. You can write in this way also. No need to write th. Okay, no need to write th. It can be like that also. Got it? Then you have the body. Here you will be writing the main part of the the explanation, the one that will be given in your question. You'll have to write the main body here, explanation. Okay, that today I saw like that, today this thing happened with me. Here you describe the event. Okay, so this is your body. So left hand corner time, right hand corner date. Okay, date can be this one also, like that also, date can be like that also, whichever. Then you write down the main body of your diary. This is the format, very easy format, and this format consists of marks. Okay, this time and date also consists of marks. Maybe both together will consist of half marks. That is also quite good actually. Okay, this is the format, and this is, as I told you, this format is for format 1. Format number 1 is for Meghalaya students of Meghalaya Board of School Education. I have another format, and this format is very widely used. This format is very widely used, but this format is not given in your grammar book, Functional English Grammar and Composition. This format is not given there. Okay, but still I have brought it. You can use this as well. Alright, here first of all what you do is that here first of all you write down the date. The first thing is date. Second thing is the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then is the time. Alright, and then you begin, before you write the main body, you begin with a salutation, dear diary. This is a very widely used format. ये format जो है बहुत widely used होता है, इस तरीके से ही डायरी लिखा जाता है. The diary is written in this format only, not in the previous format. इस format में डायरी नहीं लिखा जाता है. This is a very simple format. In this format, diary is not written actually. But since this is in your grammar and composition textbook, that is why I brought it for all of you. But the actual format is this one, format number 2. Alright, so you can use this format also. Okay, and I'm sure examiner will consider this format. Alright, this format will consider again maybe half mark or 1 mark, because there are 4 total sections here. Okay, half or 1 mark maybe. या तो चारों को मिला के all the 4 combined half marks, or maybe all the 4 combined it could be 1 mark also. That I am not very sure. Okay, now here you begin with dear diary, and then you write down your main body. After you finish your main body, I told you that diary is always written at night, so you write good night, you give an exclamation mark here, and then your name. Name is imaginary name you write. Okay, if name is given in the question only, if in your exam, if a name will be given in your question only, then it's okay. But if name is not given, then you write any imaginary name, don't write your name. Alright, so date, day, time, and then you begin with dear diary. Alright, don't worry, you'll understand. I have given example in the next section. So this is a sample that I have brought for all of you. Okay, example मैंने provide किया है, 2 sample actually. For format 1, 1 sample, and for format 2, another sample. So you can see this thing. See, this is the first format that I showed you. Format number 1 for MBOSE students. This is for MBOSE students. I mean the one that is given in your English grammar and composition textbook, but I don't find this format very proper actually. Okay, I don't find this format very proper, but since it is given in your book, that is why I'm using. So this is the format. Okay, so here you see, first of all, left hand side you write the time, right hand side you write the date, then you have the main body. So you see dear diary, good night, your name below, that those things are not important here because it is not there in your book. All right, page number I think 184 of your textbook. You can just check it out from your textbook, page number 184. From 184 I think till 187, 188. Okay, you see that this is the format. Okay, but I don't find this format very good actually, proper. So this is the body that you see. Okay, ये वो body है जो आप देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, quite easy to understand. There is nothing here, just time and date, and then the main body, the description of your topic, whatever topic will be given in your question. Okay, you can check it out. This format is the second format, format number 2, and this is the format that I actually like very much. You have format number 2, second format. So first of all comes the date, then the day, then the time. Time can be 9, 9:30, 10. Okay, don't go beyond 10. Then you see salutation, dear diary. I had a lot of fun today. It is one of the memorable days of my life because today is my birthday. So it's a topic on how you celebrated your birthday. This year also we had a birthday party at Sorg restaurant. I invited all my friends and relatives. My father ordered a huge birthday cake which looked gorgeous and shiny. I cut the cake, everyone clapped and sang happy birthday to you. Okay, so simple. You see, it's a very informal language, बहुत casual language में लिखा गया है. This is the way that you should write a diary, very casual language. You don't use proper language like, the way you write notes, essay, article writing in a very proper systematic language. Okay, here you need not do that. It can be very casual because diary is a kind of a personal thing, right? So you are exactly, see, in one way you see it is considered the diary is your best friend. You share your personal thoughts with your diary. So you can write, see here I'll just tell you one thing. You can write dear diary also, you can write hello diary also. Hello diary also you can write, whichever you feel. Okay, because diary is like your best friend and you don't talk formally to your best friend. Okay, now then you see I gave everyone a piece of cake. There's a typing mistake here, piece of cake. Everyone brought gifts. I got such wonderful family and relatives. They all loved me very much. That was all about my birthday. So very short. Okay, and then what do? Good night, Rohit. Exclamation mark. Good night, exclamation mark, and Rohit. So this is the format that I actually like very much. All right, not the earlier one. I don't find it very proper. So you can use this format also as a part of your diary writing, but that depends again how your school has taught you. आपके स्कूल ने आपको किस तरीके से किस फॉर्मेट में डायरी लिखना सिखाया है वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. इफ दे हैव टॉट यू द फर्स्ट फॉर्मेट then you go with the first format only. Otherwise, if you go with this format, this is perfect. This format is the perfect format. You see the way it has been written, right? So this is it. Now next, I hope you have understood this. If you have any confusion, please feel free to comment in the comment box. Okay, these are some tips for diary writing. 4 points I have brought for all of you. Not plenty of things are important for a diary writing. Since it is a very personal kind of a thing, you can use informal language. So very easy. Only 4 points. So you have to write in first person, like for example, today I saw. So I is a personal pronoun. Okay, you're writing, you're sharing your thoughts with your diary. Your diary is your best friend. So आप जो है आपका थॉट आपके डायरी के साथ पूरा दिन कैसा बीता वो आप शेयर कर रहे हैं. कोई इंसिडेंट, कोई एक्सीडेंट, कुछ भी हुआ हो, कोई इवेंट हुआ हो, तो आप अपने डायरी के साथ वो शेयर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आपको फर्स्ट पर्सन में लिखना होगा. नाउ you can check out the internet also. You can check out your grammar English grammar textbook also for the language, the way it is written. That is fantastic. I'm talking about the format which I don't like, but the way the diary writing has been written in your English grammar and composition textbook also, I find it very nice actually. So for the body part, you can check your English grammar book. Okay, now let us look at the second point. You may write in informal style, and as I told you that write in informal style, since diary writing is personal, क्योंकि डायरी राइटिंग जो है वो पर्सनल होता है, तो आप इनफॉर्मल और कैजुअल स्टाइल यूज कीजिए. आपको फॉर्मल ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज यूज करने का जरूरत नहीं. नो नीड टू यूज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज. डायरी राइटिंग इज पर्सनल. ओके. नाउ दिस थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट मेंटेन द फॉर्मेट स्ट्रिक्टली. आप फॉर्मेट स्ट्रिक्टली मेंटेन कीजिए. Body part you write in whatever ways you wish to, but format you maintain very strictly. This format you maintain very strictly. This one you maintain very strictly. Okay. Or if you are following this format, the one that is given in your textbook, it's okay, no problem, but maintain the format. Okay. Left hand side, right hand side. Okay. Maintain the format. So maintain the format very strictly and describe the events properly in a systematic way. Matlab, if you are, though you are using a very casual or informal style of writing, but use the writing style in a systematic, I mean use a very systematic way, write in a very systematic manner, describe the events properly, one after one. Okay. But in a systematic manner. That is what I am saying. Casual style या informal style आप use कीजिए, लेकिन वो systematic होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि the ending part you are putting in the beginning part, the beginning part you are putting in the middle part. Okay, it's not like that. You maintain the flow of writing, write it systematically. ठीक है. कैजुअल स्टाइल में ही लिखिए, you write in casual or informal style, but उसको systematic कीजिए, keep it systematic. So this is all about diary writing. I hope I have made all the points very clear. There's nothing much to discuss in diary writing. Okay, so unnecessary explanations will make the video longer. You will feel very bored also. Okay, so this is all about diary writing. All right, so that's all from me for today. Okay, and yes, happy Holi to all of you. Festival of colors. Today is the festival of colors, so I wish all of you, your family members, your relatives, your friends, a very happy and safe Holi. Okay, that's all. Subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos. Invite all your friends to subscribe to the channel also. Okay, and the love that you're showing to my channel is so nice. Okay, and I'm there on Facebook and Instagram also. Link will be given in the description box below. तो नीचे जाइए, description खोलिए, and always click on the playlist link that I have given in the description box below. तो आप playlist link खोलिए, and according to your class you can click and check out all the explanations, the notes that I have given there. And for questions and answers, I have uploaded plenty of questions and answers for class 10 and 9 as well on my website omnigyan.blogspot.com. The link is again, website link is given in the description box below. Go and check that out and remember to follow. Okay, so that's all for today from me, with love from Omni Gyan, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.